Hi friends, in this video I am going to show you to how to install Proton VPN for Windows. So let's start. First of all, you have to open any browser of your computer and search for Proton VPN for PC in the search bar. Here you have to click on the topmost website. After that, you will get to see an interface like this. Here you have to click on the download option and choose the operating system for which you want to download. So if you want to download for Windows, then here we will click on Windows. And now click on download for Windows and select your Windows which version of Windows you are using. So here we are downloading for Windows 10 and 11. So click here and from here your Proton VPN will start downloading. After downloading, click here and allow all the necessary permissions and then click on install. It will be installed. After installation, you have to open it by double clicking the right button of your mouse. Here it will ask you for email ID and password. So if you are downloading Proton VPN for the first time, then you have to create a new account. I have already an account, so I will simply log in by entering my email ID and password here. After logging in, you will see an interface like this. Here you have to click on connect. After that, it will take some time and will connect you to some network. So friends, as you can see, it has connected us to the network of Japan and now it is ready to use. So if your problem is solved, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.